All right, so I wanted to show you guys the Mod3 project that we created. I worked with another junior developer for the last week to develop this out. His name is Rami, he's brilliant, so shout out to him. But we decided to create MONOVIA. We had the opportunity to create any application we want, provided we use Rails in the background, in the back end, and then HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the front end. So we created MONOVIA. It's a blend of Monopoly and trivia. All right, so we're gonna get started here as me, and it just says, hey, if you want, you can edit your name just by clicking on it. And then the first thing you'll do is choose a subject. So I'm gonna choose music, and I'm gonna change my name to Rose. All right, cool. All right, and then to get started, I'm just gonna roll the dice. One of the things that I wish we had had time to set up was a way for us to go back to the beginning or have them switch subjects. Because as you can see, the board is populating with different properties. You can purchase drum sets, concert tickets, headphones, studio equipment, keyboard, mic, piano, bass guitar. But those options change, so we're gonna switch, but that means I gotta start over. I'm going to type in Rose, and it'll take me back to the same player I had before. And this time we're going to choose computer science. All right. All right, cool. So I'm going to roll the dice to start. The flashing divs in the beginning and the dice roll was done with CSS animation, and the board itself was built out with CSS Grid. All right, let's see. Linus Torvalds created Linux and Git. That's true. Cool. So we have $200 because we landed on double or nothing, so it doubled up our money. And then we'll roll again, and we definitely were able to, after much work and debugging, able to get the dice to move based on how much it actually rolled. So you move 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces, and whichever div you land on blinks to let you know that that's where you are. The reason we're getting the same question twice is because I only fetched 20 questions from the external API. The API we used was called Open Trivia, I believe. So I think just with such a small pool and generating a random question every time, we're bound for some repeats. Well, we could have easily fixed that had we had more time, or if we had just pulled more questions from the API. All right, cool. So we earned $100, and as you can see, a buy property thing came up because we have more money than the property value is actually worth. So as soon as you click buy property, it takes away the cost of the property from your current dollars and shows you what you have left. And then there's a little icon that populates the div to show you what properties you own. We'll just roll again and move 3 spaces. Every time you land on get paid, you automatically get $300 more. And as you can see, that updates here. We had a lot of fun with this, guys. Double or nothing. Free loss audio condenser. I don't know the answer to this one. False. Yes. Cool. Getting rich quick, y'all. I believe in get rich quick schemes. You just gotta play Monopoly to get it. Or MONOVIA. The open source program Redis is a relational database server. Enjoy being wrong. Okay. But we can still buy this property because we have enough money. All right. So we've got a MacBook Air now. We had like a whole lot of fun. Oh, I don't remember how I answered this the first time. Yikes. Okay. We had a lot of fun creating this. Like if you land on go to jail, it'll actually send you back to the jail spot. But if you land on here the first time, then it just says that you're just passing through. We definitely had a great time with this. So I hope that you enjoyed it because I enjoyed being wrong, I guess. I mean, I enjoyed making it. All right, that's all I got.